we are going to discuss relaxation time. Relaxation time is defined as the time interval during which the amplitude of damped oscillator decay to 1 by E times. As you know, E is a number. So here 1 by E value is written like 0.368. So like 36.8% when its value decreases, when the amplitude decreases to suppose the original amplitude is A naught and the time in which the amplitude becomes A naught by E, then tau is known as the relaxation time. So therefore during the relaxation time the amplitude decays to 36.8%. So relaxation time is kind of a measure to detect the rapidity of the decay of the amplitude, or it may be defined like extent of damping of the oscillator. If damping is fast, so relaxation time would be low. If damping is slow, then the relaxation time would be larger. So relaxation time basically if it is greater, then lesser is the damping and slower is the rate of the dissipation. So it is a kind of measure to which actually tells us at how much rate the damping is taking place. Now for the expression of the relaxation time, we are deriving the expression. So for the mechanical oscillator, amplitude of the damped mechanical oscillator decays according to this relation. You have already seen that x is equal to, let me show you. You have studied this in article 1.20 that x is equal to this value. So this is the amplitude now. Okay, so A is equal to A naught e raised to power minus B into T, or R by 2m into T. We can write this. So if tau is the relaxation time, then the amplitude will change to A dash and A naught e raised to power minus B after time t means t plus tau. So this is what we have done. So by definition, the relaxation after relaxation time, the amplitude is equal to A upon E, original amplitude divided by E. So here we are writing like A naught e raised to power minus B tau plus t plus tau is equal to A naught by E raised to power minus B into T. Here we are just filling the value in this expression. Then after, from that A naught would be cancelled, E would also, E raised to power minus BT would cancel. So we are left with E raised to power minus B tau is equal to 1 upon E. Or we can say E raised to power minus 1. This we can equate to E raised to power minus 1. So from that B tau is equal to 1. So B tau is equal to 1. So B is equal to 1 upon tau, or we can write tau is equal to 1 upon B, like 2m by R. So 2m by R is the relaxation time. So it is inversely proportional to the damping constant R. In case of electrical oscillator, we have Q is equal to Q naught e raised to power minus Vt. Here we had A is equal to A naught e raised to power minus Vt. This is the case with the mechanical oscillator and this is the case with the electrical oscillator. So from that also, after relaxation time tau, we are having, after t plus tau, we are having Q as Q dash, and Q dash is equal to Q upon E. So from that we have, as we have already said that tau is equal to 1 upon B, here we have already deduced tau is equal to 1 upon B, which is equal to 2L upon R. Here L is the inductance and R is the resistance. So relaxation time is inversely proportional to the resistance of the oscillator circuit.